Hi everyone, welcome back to Electricity Frenzy, the channel where we talk about all things related to electricity and its applications in our daily lives. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that is very important for those of us who use electric stoves in our homes. We're going to be looking at whether a low-quality electric stove can be a fire risk. This is a question that many people have asked, and we're here to give you the answers you need. We'll be discussing what makes an electric stove low quality, the potential fire hazards associated with them, and what you can do to stay safe. But before we get started, I just want to remind you all that the information we'll be discussing today is based on our research and experience. We're not affiliated with any particular brand or product, and our aim is to provide you with unbiased and helpful information. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the topic. Firstly, let's define what we mean by a low-quality electric stove. Typically, these are stoves that are poorly designed or manufactured and are made with cheap or substandard components. They may also lack important safety features or have inadequate insulation, which can increase the risk of fire. One of the main fire hazards associated with low-quality electric stoves is overheating. When an electric stove overheats, it can cause the wiring or other components to become damaged or melted, which can lead to a fire. This is especially true if the stove is left on for extended periods of time, or if it's used improperly. Another potential fire risk is short circuits. Short circuits can occur when the wiring in an electric stove becomes damaged or frayed, which can cause sparks or arcing. If this happens near flammable materials, such as curtains or paper, it can quickly lead to a fire. So, what can you do to stay safe if you have a low-quality electric stove? Firstly, it's important to make sure that your stove is properly installed and maintained. This means ensuring that the wiring and other components are in good condition and that the stove is cleaned regularly. You should also be careful not to overload your stove, and to avoid leaving it on for extended periods of time. If you do notice any signs of overheating or damage, such as unusual noises or smells, it's important to turn off your stove and have it inspected by a qualified electrician. In summary, while a low-quality electric stove can indeed be a fire risk, there are steps you can take to stay safe. By being aware of the potential hazards and taking proper precautions, you can ensure that you and your family are protected. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more electricity-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.